In today's episode, let's discuss about kindness. The whole world we live in today has been thought of different things from world wars to epidemics, but one thing which remained constant throughout was relations and kindness. Moreover, it was the spirit to fight back and help out each other. Kindness must be an essential universal quality to make the world a better place. Though an essay on kindness, we all go through it in detail. Importance of kindness. Kindness towards nature, animal and other people has the ability to transform the world and make it a beautiful place for living. But it is also an important thing to remember that kindness towards you is also essential for personal growth. Kindness is basically being polite, compassionate and thoughtful. Every religion and faith teach its followers to be kind. Most importantly, kindness must not be limited to humans, but also every living creature. Even nature has its own way of showing its kindness. For instance, the trees grow fruits for us and provide us with shade. One must not see kindness as a core value but as a fundamental behavioral element. When you are kind to your loved ones, you create a stable base. As people are becoming more self-centered today, we must learn kindness. We must try to integrate it into ourselves. We might not know how to act. A small act of kindness can bring about a change in someone's life. So, always be kind. He does not play our workers well. One day, he loses his bag of gold coins and loses his temper. Everyone helps him to search out for it, but no one finds it. Finally, his worker's little son finds the bag. Upon checking the bag, he sees all the coins are there. But his greed makes him play a trick on the poor worker. He claimed that there were more coins in the bag and the worker stole them. At last, I would like to thank all of you for listening to me with patience. Thank you and namaste.